Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Talent Olympiad. Today we will go through the round 1 question papers of ITO's International Maths Olympiad
for class 5.
The question paper consists of 50 questions in which 35 questions are of subjective, 10 questions are of logical reasoning and 5 questions are of high order thinking. This 50 question exam holds 50 marks. So let us begin. You can write the answers one by one on a blank piece of paper and then compare them with the answer key at the end of the question paper. Question 1. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7 is equal to what? Question 2. Choose the correct sequence of the following fraction in ascending order. 2 by 5, 1 by 2, 3 by 7, 2 by 3, 1 by 4. Question 3. Find the multiple of 11 in following numbers. Question 4. Sam purchased 20 dozens of toys at the rate of Rs 375 per dozen. He sold each one of them at the rate of Rs 33. What was his percentage of profit? Question 5. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target of 282 runs? Question 6. A family consists of 2 grandparents, 2 parents, and 3 grandchildren. The average age of grandparents is 67 years. That of parents is 35 years and that of the grandchildren is 6 years. What is the average age of the family? Question 7. Find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. Question 8. Find the lowest common multiple of 24, 36 and 40. Question 9. The least number which should be added to 2497 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 5, 6, 4 and 3 is? Question 10. 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus 3.33 is equal to what? Question 11. Look at the problem and give the answer. Question 12. The fraction 101/27 by 1 lakh in decimal for is? Question 13. 95 plus 240.016 plus 23.98 is equal to what? Question 14. 617 plus 6.017 plus 0.617 plus 6.0017 is equal to what? Question 15. 0.002 into 0.5 is equal to what? Question 16. A train running at the speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole in 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? Question 17. A rectangular field has to be fenced on 3 sides, leaving a side of 20 feet uncovered. If the area of the field is 680 square feet, how many feet of fencing will be required? Question 18. The area of a rectangle plot is 460 square meters. If the length is 15% more than the breadth, what is the breadth of the plot? Question 19. The average weight of A, B and C is 45 kg. If the average weight of A and B be 40 kg and that of B and C be 43 kg, what is the weight of B? Question 20. How many days are there in X weeks and X days? Question 21. Which of the following is not a leap year?
Question 22. Insert the missing number 12, 25, 49, 99, 197, 395 dash. Question 23. Insert the missing number 34, 7, 37, 14, 40, 28, 43 dash. Question 24. Insert the missing number 2, minus 6, 18, minus 54, 162 dash. Question 25. If addition means minus, minus means multiplication, multiplication means division, and division means addition, then 12 into 4 divided by 12 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to what? Question 26. Pointing to a lady in photograph, Madhurendra said, "Her mother is the only daughter of my mother's mother. How is Madhurendra related to the lady?" Question 27. In a certain code, basket is written as $5, 3%, #1 and tried is written as 14*, #2. How is the skirt written in that code? Question 28. 4 pairs of words are given below, out of which the words in all pairs except one bear a certain common relationship. Choose the pair in which the words are differently related. Question 29. The following questions are based on the 5 3-digit numbers given below: 394, 632, 783, 576, 895. If the positions of the first and the second digit within each number are interchanged, which of the following will be the second highest number? Question 30. How many 8s are there in the following sequence, which are immediately preceded by 6 but not immediately followed by 5? Question 31. How many triangles are in the given figure? Question 32. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 33. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 34. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 35. Pointing to a photograph, a man said, "I have no brother or sister, but that man's father is my father's son." Whose photograph was it? Question 36. Complete the series T, R, P, N, L. Question 37. Choose out the odd one. Question 38. What time should the last watch show? Question 39. What letter should replace the question mark? Question 40. Identify the figure that completes the pattern. Question 41. 10 cats caught 10 rats in 10 seconds. How many cats are required to catch 100 rats in 100 seconds? Question 42. Find the HCF of 54, 288, 360. Question 43. Simplify the problem. Question 44. Find the simple interest on rupees 7,000 at 50 by 3% for 9 months. Question 45. If the area of rectangular field with dimensions 64 meters into 36 meters is equal to that of a square field, then the side in meters of the square field is what? Question 46. A contractor has to finish a work in 20 days and employs 30 men on the job. If the work is to be finished in 15 days, the number of extra men to be employed is what? Question 47. A shirt was sold at 25% gain for Rs 2500. What is the cost price of the shirt? Question 48. If 30% of a number is 12.6, find the number. Question 49. What number must be added to 6, 16 and 8 to get an average of 13? Question 50. The product of two numbers is 120 and the sum of their square is 289. The sum of the number is what?
Now we have completed the question paper. You can cross-check your answers in the answer key section in the next slide.
Now you can opt for a wide range of study materials from Indian Talent Olympiad offered for international Olympiads. We provide workbooks, previous year question paper sets, monthly Olympiad practice test series, and power packs.
To purchase this study material, visit Indian Talent Olympiad's official website. We have provided the link in the description box below.